Hello and welcome to the Galactic Racing Championships. This is the second race of Dino Island, and here we are. And they're off and racing over the river. Oh, Lewa gets spin out there. If he wants to win, he's got to catch up. Someone's letting off a dog. Oh, I like explosions. Boom. Lewa through the volcano. The others through the jungle. Lewa into the jungle. Letting off. Well, this has three names. It could be called a destructor brick, a nova blast, or a shaky bricks. What Lewa just did. And it's made someone walk. Destroyed their car completely. Lewa's turned invisible now. Oh, there he is. There are other people getting their cars fixed. Oh, that's a bit slippery down there. Letting off another shaky bricks. Hey, and Lewa pulls ahead. Down the straight. Down over the bridge. Hey, there's someone. And across the line.